Hi, it's Kirk Clements again with Graham Real Estate Group, and today we are in Tallgrass. Tallgrass is located in the southwest portion of Naperville. We're south of 95th Street on Route 59, north of 103rd, and we are east of 248th. Now, the first homes here in Tallgrass were built in 1999, and building continued steadily into 2004, and a few homes were even built into 2008. Now, Tallgrass offers mostly single-family homes. However, there are townhomes on the far east edge of the community. Now, those townhomes typically sell in the mid-300s and offer 3 bedrooms, a basement, and 2-car garages. They also have privileges to the Tallgrass community clubhouse and pool. Most of the homes in Tallgrass are single-family homes, however, and they range in sale prices from the low 500s to over $800,000. Median sale price is in the mid-6s. They generally offer 4 to 5 bedrooms, a large open floor plan, high ceilings, and great curb appeal, being mostly brick, as you see behind me. Amenities. The Tallgrass Clubhouse offers updated amenities, including a very nice pool with water slides, 0 entry option, swimming lanes, a large patio space with concession, tennis courts, and common park areas. Additionally, there are a number of parks located throughout the community. Now, we are about a 15 to 20 minute ride to the Metro train on Route 59, about 20 minutes from I-88, and about a 15-minute drive to downtown Naperville. And of course, we are on that Route 59 corridor, which means plenty of shopping options. We are in the acclaimed 204 School District, Indian Prairie. We have Fry Elementary, which is here in the neighborhood, Scullin Middle School, which is also in the neighborhood, and of course, Waubonsie High School. I hope you enjoyed learning about the Tallgrass community here in Naperville. If you have any other questions about Tallgrass or anything of that nature, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help. Talk to you soon.